Students, let's see a movement of another sums. See these sums. You have to pass a single journal entries. So rectify all of this. PQR is the old partner. The old ratio is 6:3:1, and the S is admitted, and the new profit sharing ratio is 3:3:1. Okay. They also decided to record the effect without affecting the book value. Required adjustment for workman compensation reserve, investment fluctuation reserve by passing a single journal entry. Now see the general reserve, contingency reserve, there is a profit and loss credit, advertisement debit, workman compensation reserve, investment fluctuation reserve, so many entries there. So first we have to find a consolidated amount. How will find out this consolidated amount? See, first we have to consolidate amount. Consolidate amount means the general reserve, how much. There is a general reserve. So what is the amount of general reserve? The general reserve is 2,40,000. Now the contingencies reserve. There is a contingency reserve of 40,000. Now there is a PL credit, that means it is add profit and loss account. PL account credit, that is 1,20,000. Now advertisement suspense is a debit. So advertisement suspense debit will be less. First we add all these things credited. Suppose like a W workman compensation reserve is a credit. So you can write WCF. But the WCF is 40,000. Now it's become the claim of workman compensation is 20,000. So how much you have to distribute it among the partner? 20,000, because 40 minus 20. So you can write 20,000 over here. Here 20,000. Now the IFRS investment fluctuation is of 20,000, and the book value of the investment is 1 lakh and the market value is 90. So there is a depreciation or reduction of the value is 10,000, you can see over here. So it will be also less from here. So directly we can write as a IFRS investment fluctuation reserve. IFRS will be 20,000 minus 10,000. That is 10,000. Right over here, 20,000 is there, and there is a reduction of value is 10,000. So the rest we can see it is a 10,000. Okay. So this is the total of the credit, sum of all credit. 4,30,000, it is the sum of all credit. Now less advertisement suspense account, because it is a debit balance. Advertisement suspense. This is the amount of debit. So that will less from over here. So how much it will be? The workman compensation advertisement suspense. See, there is a 1 lakh. So 1 lakh you have to less over here. So the final answer or the final amount is 3,30,000. Clear? So this is the single amount or consolidated amount, you can say, after all adjustment, 3,30,000. So that 3,30,000 have to be adjusted over this partner. Now see, we are already calculate the gaining and sacrificing ratio. So we know that old ratio minus new ratio, the sacrificing ratio. So the P has sacrifices share as it is a positive. It is his sacrifices share. He neither Q is neither sacrifice neither gain, and the S is a partner who gain. As he is a new partner, always be he gain. So what will be the journal entries? So the gaining partner is 1/10. Gaining partner is 1/10. because the new ratios is 1 by 10. So the 1/10, 0 minus 1/10, so the S is gaining, R is sacrificing, because R share is 1/10, 1/10 minus 3/10, sorry, he is also gain, because it's given in minus, it is given in minus, it is given in minus. So the journal entry will be R capital account debit because he gained, S capital account debit because he gained, to P's capital. So the journal entry will be very simple. R's capital account debit, R's capital account debit, because he gaining, S capital account debit, to P's capital. इसका मतलब हो रहा है कि R और S को गंवाना पड़ेगा शेयर एज इज अ गेन, और P को मिलेगा, सैक्रिफाइस मीन्स P को मिलेगा. सो द जनरल एंट्री विल बी R's capital account debit, S capital account debit to P's capital. R's capital, P's capital. So how much amount will be credited? As very simple, this 3,30,000 portion of 3/10, that is 99,000. Now again this into the P's gaining portion. So the R's gaining portion is 1/5. It should not be minus actually. 66, and then again this portion into this. See, our answer also match. See, altogether 63, 66 and 33, 99,000, and P's capital also the same way. In narration we can write being the adjustment made for net accumulated profit, net accumulated profit, losses and reserve. So student, what will be the net amount? This is the net amount. You can say this is the net accumulated, this is the net amount, we can say this is the net amount. Okay, so this is the workings, you can say this is the workings, this is also workings, this is also your workings. This is also workings, this is also workings. So the main something is this, the journal entry you have to pass. Net adjustment is 3,30,000. This is the workings. First you have to find out the consolidated or net amount, and that net amount will be shared between these partner as sacrifice or gain. So first of all you have to find out the sacrifice or the gain ratio. The gaining partner will be debited, always it is remembered, and the sacrificing partner is credited. So hope student you will understand this. Thank you so much.